live. We want to start our lesson for today. So wherever you are expected to join us right now. This is the Igbo tutor, Maazi Okafor. We come here every Saturday by this time, 2:00 West African time or 13:00 GMT, to have a clear teaching of Igbo language. In these sessions, we deal with Igbo language teaching in a special and unique way. We have Igbo drills through which we challenge ourselves to, learn new words, new phrases, new sentences, and measure our level of progress in Igbo language learning. We may have been subscribed to other Igbo YouTube channels, or we're learning through other means and sources, but we acknowledge the fact that many of us who are learning via video or who are watching other channels may not really have people with whom they can practice what they are learning over time. So if you are just alone learning, watching videos, you might not actually make much progress, and you might not be able to measure your level of progress in learning Igbo language. So we began to run these live sessions through which we can always communicate and measure our level of progress and challenge ourselves to evaluate the progress we are making in learning Igbo language. So we began to run these live sessions. So wherever you are, in any part of the world, and you're seeing me now, you are an Igbo lover, Igbo parent, Igbo fiancé, husband or wife, Igbo father, Igbo child born by Igbo parents, but you are born outside Nigeria, you don't understand the language very clearly. This is where to be. Wherever you are, in any part of the world, it's time to join up now. Let's do this together. I am the Igbo tutor. So if you are Igbo business partner, you are Igbo lover, you are interested in learning Igbo language, either for business or for pleasure or for friendship or for marriage, or as a child born by Igbo parents but outside Igbo land, and you're having difficulty speaking the language, this is where to be. We are here just for you, to help you overcome that obstacle and that challenge. So wherever you are in any part of the world, it's time to begin to join up now so we can do this together. We are starting without much delay. So it's better you join up on time so that we can do this together. I am the Igbo tutor, Maazi Okafor. We'll be starting in the next 3 or 4 minutes. So it's better you join up now, because we are beginning with a new topic today entirely. We don't want to begin and then many people are not carried along, then we'll be forced to go back to what we have done already. We don't want to do that. So it's better you join up now so that we can all begin the class together and flow together. That would be very good for all of us. So wherever you are, and if you are getting this notification as a subscriber to my channel, it's interesting that you're getting it, you need to come up now, because every subscriber to my channel is expected to hook up or join these live classes through which we can measure your progress and even help you further. So wherever you are subscribed to our channel and you've got this notification, please join up now so that we can do this together. I am the Igbo tutor, waiting for you now. Begin to come in now. Today, we're beginning with a new series entirely. We've been dealing with Igbo verbs, the meaning of the words, the usage in sentences, and all other drills around Igbo verbs. We've been able to drive that from alphabet A to Z, covering quite a lot of them, over 50 to 100 Igbo verbs, and their meaning and usage in sentence formation. And we've rounded up that lesson series last Saturday. Today, we're beginning with another brand new lesson series. So if you are not here with us on time, if you don't join on time, you'll be missing a lot. It's better you join now so that you will be carried along. You won't need to go back to what we have done before and start asking questions. So join up now. Okay, Lanre Akinlaja, you are here. Welcome to class. Let me also receive your greetings if you're already in class so that we can welcome you officially. Okay, Lanre, are you hearing me? Can you hear me clearly? Akinlaja, can you hear me very well? Let me be sure you are hearing me. Please confirm if my voice is audible enough. Then if you are in class, please indicate, drop your greeting. Say Ndewo, say no. Okay, Lanre, you are hearing me very well. Thank you for that response. So if you are in class, it's important that you indicate by sending in your greetings so that we can pick your name and welcome you to class immediately. Please drop your greetings. I can only see Lanre here in class. I know we're up to 4 already in class, but let me get your name by dropping your greeting so we can return the greetings to you and welcome you officially to class. So if you are in class already, please salute us, greet us. They will know, okay? Say something so that we can also pick your name and welcome you officially to class. Please join up now. We're about to start. We're beginning with a new series today. Lanre, you have been off class for some time, and we missed you for some time, and I'm sure you missed a lot. It's important that you go back to watch our previous classes that you missed. I'm talking to Lanre now, so that you can be able to, come to speed to where we are now. Okay? Chimamanda Eze, you're welcome to class. No. Okay? So please, Lanre, go back to our previous live sessions and watch them again, because you've not been in class for some time now and you must have missed a lot. So it's important you do that. Chimamanda, Ndewo, Chimamanda. Okay, so yes, I missed. I usually watch the recorded classes. Okay, that's fine. It's comforting to know that you always watch those recorded classes. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, that's fine. I was a little occupied. All right. The important thing is that you watch the classes, even when you miss the live one. You still went back to watch the recorded ones. That is interesting. And I'm sure you will get the same feel with, like those who watch the live classes. The only difference is that you won't have the live, people coming in, or the live chat and live interactions, me calling your name and all these things. You're going to miss them if you are watching after the class, but it's all the same. It's important that if you miss the live class, you still go ahead and watch the recorded one. They are the same, except that you don't have the family, convivial atmosphere where we are all together as a family, talking to each other, calling our names and reacting. That's the only thing you miss after all. Outside that, the content is the same. So who are those students who have not joined this class now? We won't wait any further. We want to start without delay. We give you 2 more minutes. So exactly 5 minutes after 2, we begin this class. So if you have not joined this class now and you're seeing me from many parts of the world, this is the Igbo tutor live. This is live Igbo lesson, live Igbo class, free of charge. So wherever you are, Sherry Mango, you are welcome. Wherever you are to enjoy this privilege while it lasts, because it won't continue like this endlessly. At a point, you're going to moderate it to become accessible to only members of this channel. But for now that it's open source, open lesson, open education, why don't you take advantage of that? So wherever you are, in any part of the world, seeing me now, hearing me, is an advantage for you. If you are interested in learning Igbo language or knowing Igbo language, you are born by Igbo parents, you have Igbo fiancé, you are married to Igbo man or woman, or you're a business partner, Igbo friend or lover, this is where to be. Let's do this together. So join this class now and begin to learn Igbo language, and you'll be glad you did. So there are some of our regulars that I've not seen in class. Ibo is not here. Chikeze is not here. McDonald. Clement Emehe and Mrs. Ozua is not here. So many of our regulars have not seen you. I hope you will not come in later when we have moved far. Please, it is important you join the class on time. We have our times and we want to start right away. So no, everybody. Okay, Kaibido, let's start. Today, we are beginning new series. I told you I'm going to maintain time. This is exactly 5 minutes after 2, 5 minutes behind schedule, just for introduction. So we want to start now because we want to try as much as possible to maintain possibly 1 hour for this class. So we don't waste much time to allow you also go and do other things that are important to you. So we're beginning new series now, but before then, let's recap. For many Saturdays now, we've been covering Igbo verbs, their meaning, their application in sentences, and their usages. And I'm very sure those series benefited most of us very well. If you think those series serve you right, can you indicate by saying yes if you think we did justice to that series we ended last Saturday. Did you really benefit from that? Did you really think we have done well and we should continue doing something like that or expand it more? If you think so, you should just let us know. Today, we move to, okay, Faith Work said yes. Thank you, Faith. Faith, I didn't even know you have been in this class before because your name sounds a little bit strange. Faith Work. Have you been attending our live classes before? Faith, just let me know. Okay, Faith, have you been attending our live classes? Because your name is a little bit not familiar to me. Have you attended our live classes or you watched recorded videos? I'm talking to Faith Work now. Did you watch recorded ones or you attended live class? Faith, I need your response to this. Okay, okay, Clement Emehendewo. No, I'm still waiting for Faith's response. Whether she has attended our live class before or, okay, watched recorded one. Great, great. Thank you, Faith. And I'm sure that's why you joined us today. You prepared for today. That's fine. That's great. So, Faith, you have also, you listen to all the adverts we also made concerning our ebooks that are having both text and audio. You still also have to buy them because I've not seen you buying any of them. So it's important to accelerate your learning. Please also try to do that. Larry said, yes, Kenlaja, that's fine. Okay, today we are moving to a new lesson series and we're beginning to deal with Igbo conjunctions. Conjunctions. Those are these words we use to, connect two phrases or two names or two words or two clauses or two sentences together. Somehow, sometimes they are tricky, and using them in Igbo language is somehow confusing. So we want to deal with that from this lesson series beginning from today. So that's what we are going to consider from today in this series, the Igbo conjunction. We're going to cover a wide range of Igbo conjunctions, but we will not really go into too much of grammar, okay, in terms of classifying the conjunctions, coordinating conjunction, subordinate and correlative and this and that. You are not going to write exam. So we're going to concentrate on the usage, how they are used in sentences, the different types, the way the sounds and the way they are represented in Igbo sentences, and how they are used. That the practical usage is what we'll be looking at in this series, not necessarily teaching you as if you are preparing for exam. We're doing practical Igbo speaking here. I hope that is right. So you pay attention as we run through this in the next 1 hour and then guide you through the Igbo conjunctions and how they are used. By the way, before we move on, you are expected to hit the like button for our live sessions anytime you join. You have to hit the like button, as our rule here. You hit the share button so that you can go out to other people to join us. These are the basic two things you have to do for us as we join our live class. It doesn't cost you money, just your thumb, your finger to hit the like button. It may be on top of your screen or below your window screen. Just look for it where it is. Hit the like button, hit the share button, so this video can be given to, shown to more people to join us. That is the least you can do for us now. So do that as we commence our class today. Thank you for doing that. Tochi, you are welcome to class. Tochi Wandemoke, my boy, you are welcome to class. I appreciate you being here today again. Tochi, how was the book you bought last time? I hope they are interesting. I hope you are learning from your books. I hope so. Okay? So let's hear the testimony of Tochi. How are the books you bought? Are they interesting? Do you benefit from them? I'm sure. Let me hear from Tochi now. Okay? Now we begin our class today. Well, the rule is this. I'm going to be giving you the English conjunction. You try to see if you can remember the Igbo version of it. So I give you the English conjunction. You try to remember the Igbo version. If you don't know it, we'll give you. If you know it, or if any of us, okay, if any of us is able to get it, will be able to declare it. Okay, my mom didn't let me. Okay, your mom didn't let you buy the book, or didn't buy it for you. No problem. Still continue to beg your mommy. You'll buy for you. Zoa young kata, chinonso here, chinonso here, no. Okay, chinonso, no. No, in a class, Igbo, you're welcome to Igbo class. Okay, this is the first time you're coming to class, chinonso, I believe so. Okay, so now I'm telling you the rule we're going to follow today in our lesson today. I give you the English version of the conjunction. You try to remember the Igbo version of it, whether you know it. If you don't know it, we'll give it to you. Then we try using it in a sentence to see how it falls into a sentence and how to understand when we see them in a sentence. Demi Fabiano, you're welcome to class. This is Igbo class. Igbo, you're coming a little bit late. I was waiting for you. So I was just doing introduction, waiting for you. But now you are here. Thank God you are here. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the share button. Those are the rules we have here. The like button, the share button, and any other button that you need to hit that is important to us. Okay, so I give you the conjunction. You give me the Igbo version of it. We now make a simple sentence using that conjunction. That is the rule we're following today. So let's begin. Number one conjunction. Listen to me. The number one today is for. F-O-R. What is for in Igbo? Type in the chat section. What is for in Igbo? For. When it is used as a conjunction, what is that in Igbo language? Yes? Maka. Boyibo wrote maka. Okay, I'm waiting for others. I'm waiting for others to contribute. This is a live class. Everybody have to say something. Say what is in your brain. Be part of the class. Okay, Igbo has written maka. That's the meaning of for in Igbo language. Yes, what are other people saying? What are you saying? Agreeing or disagreeing? Or you have your own version of it? Yes, just drop your own. Neka, Ichoku. Okay, for is maka. Neka, agree that is maka. Neka, no, na class. Okay, Clement, maka. Tochi, maka is for. Okay, faith, work, maka. Seem everybody is agreeing that is maka. Okay, I'm almost agreeing with you too, is maka, but there's also another version of it, depending on the usage. Okay, for can also mean nihi, n, comma on top, I-H-I, nihi. Okay, it can also mean that, depending on how it is used in a sentence. But maka is fine. Okay, Sherry Mango, maka. Okay, so it depends on how it is used. It can be, oh yeah, Igbo, you got it right. That's what I mean, nihi. So it can also be, it can also mean that, depending on how it is used in a sentence. Okay, so we've gotten that. Let's try to use it in a sentence now. Let's make a sentence with that. Let me give you the English sentence. You write it in Igbo and apply that maka or nihi as the case may be. Okay, so here we go. Thank him for what he did. Thank him for what he did. Now, write that in Igbo. Thank him for what he did. Write it in Igbo language. Just try. Thank him for what he did. Try writing that in Igbo language. Thank him. King Chooks. No. We don't say hi here. We say ndewo or no. No is spelled double N, double O, but dot under the O's. Or ndewo, that's how we greet in Igbo language. So when you join our class, you say ndewo or no, not hi. Talking to King Chooks. But you are welcome to class anyway. So now, thank him for what he did. That's the sentence we're looking at. Somebody wrote, Kele yanihi ei omere. Maybe it's a typographical error. I'm talking to Faith Work now. Can you check what you typed, whether it's a typographical error? Check it again. Igbo wrote, si ya daalụ maka ihe omere. Great. Sherry Mango say, daalụ ya n'ihi o mere. Good effort. Yeah? It appears Igbo is going to lead the class today because Chikezie is not here. Chikezie always push her behind, and then she will be coming second. But today, in the absence of Chikezie McDonald, Igbo is likely going to lead our class today as class captain. I don't know whether Clement Emehe is going to challenge her, but let's see how it goes. Okay? And then Larry says, tankia makihe omere. Oh, Larry, what is tank now? You did not write tank in Igbo. Larry Akilaja, you have to write everything in Igbo now. What is tank in Igbo? Larry, I give you another chance to retype what you have written. I don't know what thanks is. Okay, you don't know what thanks to others mean. Okay, Larry, thank him is keleya, not daloya, is kele, that is thanks. Thank him. Okay, keleya, thank him or greet keleya. That is thank him, keleya. Talking to Larry now. That's the importance of being in class, live class. You learn new words, you learn new phrases, you learn new sentences. That's the importance of being here. Okay? Chimamanda, you wrote something and claim it back. You're afraid. Okay? Keleya makiho mere. Okay? Faith work is correcting herself again. And then makiho mere. Okay, Igbo also has done her own version. So the correct word is, or sentence rather, is keleya maka ihe o mere. Thank him for what he did. Keleya maka ihe o mere. Igbo, keleya maka, not maka o mere, maka ihe, what he did. Ihe o mere. So Igbo, you have to add ihe o mere. And then your O is not having dot under, it's O without dot under. O mere, not O mere, it's O mere. Chimamanda, you wrote kele ya together as a single word. It's not like that. Kele has to be separate. Then ya will be separate. Kele means thank. Ya means him. Okay? So you separate it. Okay, Sherry Mango, you are here now. Kele ya makiho mere. I said your O will not have dot under it. It's O, not O. If it has dot under, it becomes O. But in this case, it's O, no dot under it. Ihe o mere. Okay, neka icho. That's it. That's it. Siya dalo works also. Yes, I agree with you, Igbo. Siya dalo can be also accepted, but you have to, if you want to use siya dalo, you have to write it full like you did. You have to say siya dalo maki ihe o mere. So siya dalo or keleya both are acceptable. Okay. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. We've tried, everybody have tried. But I see that some of you have not hit the like button. Some of you have not shared this video. That's not fair enough. Please do that. That is the least you can do for your teacher. Okay? Okay, faith work. You have done the perfect correction. Keleya makiho mere. That's perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, let's see how else to use this. Let's see how else to use it. Somebody somebody who clicked the like button before went back to hit it again, and it now reduced. You unlike. If you have hit it before, don't do it again. Otherwise, it will be unlike. Okay. Now we go to another way of using it. Let's say, believe him, for he said the truth. Believe him, for he said the truth. This is another way of using that word for, and it will have another meaning in Igbo, another way. Believe him for what, or for he said the truth, is in terms of reason for believing him. Believe him for he said the truth. So write that in Igbo language. Believe him, comma, for he said the truth, or he spoke the truth. Ngwa, write it in Igbo. Write it in Igbo. Believe him, comma, for he said the truth, or for he spoke the truth. Ngwa, there in Igbo. Write it in Igbo. Waiting for you. Ngwa. There. Okay, kwere ya n'ihi o siri eziokwu. Igbo, you tried, but I think you should try more than this. Okay, kwere ya n'ihi na ọ sịrị eziokwu. You try. Good effort. Good effort. Let me see what other people are going to write. Believe him, comma, for he said the truth. Larry said, kwere ya maka ọ sị eziokwu. Great effort. Great effort. Larry is really trying. I wait for others. Okay. Okay. Clement said, kwere ya maka ọ sịrị eziokwu. Good effort. Good effort. Let's see. We're going to mark. So keep dropping it. Where are the rest? Faith, where is your own? Faith, work. Drop your own before I start marking. Who else has not dropped? Sherry Mango, where are you? Drop your response before I start marking. Okay, Faith is here. Kwere ya maka o kwuru eziokwu. Okay. Kwere ya n'ihi na ọ sịrị eziokwu. Okay. I will see what happens. Sherry Mango, kwere ya maka ọ sịrị eziokwu. Okay. Good effort. Good effort. Good effort. Yeah. Good effort. Anybody still coming in? Want to mark? Want to mark now? Okay. Let me see whether anybody got it right. Let me check. Okay. Faith walk almost get very close. Kwere ya maka okuru. Okay. Okay, let me start from saying Igbo, the first sentence you made, kwere ya n'ihi. Nihi is the right word to use in this case, not maka. I purposely use this second sentence because I told you that the for can mean maka or nihi in Igbo. And that's why I use two sentences. So in this second sentence, the right word to use is nihi. So Igbo started well by saying kwere ya nihi. That's a perfect start. Then the ending is not okay. It is nihi. Na o kwuru, not nọsịrị, na o kwuru eziokwu. N'ihi na o kwuru eziokwu. Kwuru is spelled, somebody tried to write that, I think it was Faith. Yeah, Faith wanted to write maka o kwuru eziokwu. So in writing it, you put O standing alone, because that stands for he. Then kwuru is KW, not Faith, you wrote only K, not correct. KWURU, but O will stand alone. O kwuru eziokwu. Kwere ya n'ihi na o kwuru eziokwu. That is the full sentence. Now write it again. Okay, Neka, let me see what you wrote. Okay, Chimamanda now wrote kwere ya maka na o kwuru eziokwu. You wrote make, not even maka, you wrote make. But I said the right word to use in this case is nihi. Neka Ichok wrote, kwere ya n'ihi na o kwuru eziokwu. That is a perfect sentence. That is a perfect sentence. Neka Ichok. That is the perfect sentence. Look at what Neka wrote. That is the perfect sentence. Igbo kwere ya n'ihi na. Nihi. You are missing something. N'ihi na. N'ihi na. Look at Neka sentence. N'ihi na o kwuru eziokwu. N'ihi na. You have to put it like that. Faith. Kwere ya n'ihi o kwuru eziokwu. So, n'ihi na o kwuru eziokwu. You have to put that na there to make it complete, right? So, if you are writing, please write what Neka Ichok wrote as the correct sentence. Kwere ya n'ihi na o kwuru eziokwu. That is the perfect, complete sentence. We've done this. We're going to the next conjunction, which is and. And. So what is and in Igbo? I know most of you will get it. Just write it. What do you think and is in Igbo? And. And. What is it? What is and in Igbo language? Okay, Igbo, na. Faith, na. Any other person saying it is something different? Na. Okay, most of you are saying it's na. Okay, we've already passed. Okay, that's correction. You're making correction. Larry. Is it Uru because he's saying the truth? Okay. Uru is said. Is said. Okuru. Ezioku is the truth. Talking to Larry now. Kwere ya n'ihi na okuru ezioku. Okay, Zo and Young Kata. That's perfect. Okay, we're moving forward. Na. Okay. And is na. Okay, that's okay. But I also want to tell you that and also means ma. In some circumstances, ma. Not only na, ma is also used as and in depending on the usage in the sentence. So it can either be na or ma, ma. Okay, just take note of that as we go into sentences now. Take note of what I just said now as a guide. Now let's make some sentences. Okay, okay, that's fine. Neka Ethiopia, bringing many other versions to it. That's fine, that's fine. I'm sure some of you have not hit like button. The like is not yet up to the number of students we have in class, which means some of you are still disobedient to your teacher, and it's not good. You've not hit the like button, you've not shared this video or this live session. That is not good. If you disobey your teacher, you will get caned. That is not good. But don't think because I'm not where you are, you will just disobey your teacher and go free. So be very careful. Follow your teacher's instruction. Okay, I'm just playing anyway. Now, let's deal with it. The sentence is now. Okay, I'm the only one who liked. You are not the only one, Doji. You are not the only one who liked. We have up to 11 likes now. Only few people have not done that. Some few students are, I don't want to say that they are not obedient students, but they are forgetting. They are forgetting teacher's instruction. So it's not only you that liked. We have 11 people now that liked. Okay, so we go on to sentence. Okafo, which is me, and Chupudi. Okay, let me use one of you. Okafo and Tochi, my good friend Tochi. And Tochi, okay, Tochi said he also shared this video. That's fine. Tochi is doing very well. Okay, Tochi has liked and shared. What are you waiting for? If you have not shared this video, you are not my friend. Oh. Just know that. Okay, you have to like and share it. That's the beginning of the support and appreciation for your teacher. Okay, the sentence now. Okafo and Tochi are friends. That's the sentence. Okafo and Tochi are friends. Ngwa, write it in Igbo. Okafo, which is me, and Tochi, which is my friend over there, are friends. Okafo and Tochi are friends. Okafo na Tochi bụ enyi. That's great. Igbo has written that. Yes, what else are you writing? I didn't want to miss 1 second. I will send when we finish. I will send when we finish. Larry, what do you want to send when we finish? You mean sharing the live session, or what do you want to send? Larry, what are you sending? I want to get you clearly. What are you sending, Larry? Okay, for Natochi Buenyi. Okay, Larry said, I mean share. Okay, you want to share when we finish. That's okay. That's okay. I accept that. Okay, we are looking at the sentences now. For Natochi Buenyi. Larry, where is your sentence? You have not written your sentence now. Okafo and Tochi are friends. Larry, you have not written your sentence. I'm waiting for your sentence. Uche Elisha, you are welcome to class. This seems to be the first time you are joining our live class. Am I right? Talking to Uche Elisha. Am I correct? Is it the first time you are joining our live class? Uche Elisha, am I right? Okafo na Tochi bụ enyi. Okay, Larry, that's fine. Yeah, okay, I'm right. Uche, you are welcome to class. Look, Larry, you are Bo. B-U must have dot under the U. That is Bo. If you don't put dot under the U, it becomes Bu. U. They are not the same alphabet. U, O. So in this case, it's Bo. Enyi. And I believe by now you should have the Igbo keyboard installed in your phone or computer. Larry, you are an old student. I believe you should have done that by now. So in this case, it's Bo. B-U with dot under the U. Buenyi. Right? Chikezema Donald, late comer. You are coming late to class today. So somebody has taken your position before you come. Ibo is already the class captain. You came late to class, 30 minutes late to class. So somebody else has taken your mantle today. But anyway, you are welcome. Okay, that is our previous class captain, Chikezie McDonald. But today, the class captainship went to Ibo because Chikezie came late to class, 30 minutes late. Okay, Larry, I've done the correction. Okafo na Tochi bụ enyi. That's great. All your answers are perfect. That is na in this case. But let's look at another one. Okay? He left us and ran away. He left us and ran away. Can you write that in Igbo? He left us and ran away. Okay. As apology accepted. Chikezie, apology accepted. I know you must be busy. You don't miss class. You don't come late. I know. You must be engaged doing something very, very serious. Okay, you're welcome. At least for coming in to say hi, we appreciate you. Okay. Okay, so the sentence has been dropped. He left us and ran away. Now give me the sentence in Igbo language. He left us and ran away. Give me the sentence in Igbo language. Yeah, waiting for you. He left us and ran away. Give me the sentence. Okay, waiting for you. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Waiting for you. He left us and ran away. What is the Igbo version? He left us and ran away. If you are seeing us now, this is the Igbo tutor live. This is live Igbo lesson, free of charge. Wherever you are in any part of the world, seeing us now, hearing us loud, you need to just join this live session where we do Igbo language drill. We learn new words, new alphabets, new phrases, new sentences, and then measure our level of progress in Igbo language. You may have been subscribed to one or two channels over there, but it doesn't really mean here we welcome you to come and learn real-time live learning, where you can also measure your level of progress and connect with other learners like you, and then get more insight into what you have known already. That is why you must be here every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time or West African time, or 1300 GMT. Always be here. So we do this together. Now, Dr. Abdullahi, welcome to class. Okay, now let's look at the sentence. Okay, he left us and ran away. Okay, many people have written. Let me mark it now. Let me mark your script. Okay, who wrote first? Igbo. Ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbara ọsọ. Okay, let's see. Okay, Clement, o jere anyị na-agba ọsọ. Good effort. Neka, okay, Nnenna. Oh, Nenna, you've been in our class before. I think you have been in our class before. Is that right? Nenna, am I correct? I think last time you promised to buy our ebooks, but you didn't buy after the class. Nenna, you are the one. I catch you again today. Okay, Nenna wrote, Ọ hapụrụ anyị na-agbara ọsọ. Good effort. Sheri Mango. Ọ sị anyị ma gbaa ọsọ. Zoe and Young. Ọ pụọ anyị na-agbapụ. You tried. Let me see what Dr. Abdullahi wrote. Where is Dr. Abdullahi? Ọ hapụ anyị ọgbara. Good effort. Faith work. Ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbara ọsọ. Good effort. Okay. It's not gbara ọsọ, it's gba ọsọ. GBAA. Not gbara ọsọ, gba ọsọ. Ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gba ọsọ. So, Faith, you are making a good effort, but I don't think you have the Igbo keyboard in your phone. I'm talking to Faith work. I don't think you have Igbo keyboard. If you don't have Igbo keyboard, please set it in your phone. You go to setting, go to language, go to keyboard, and then you select Kwati Igbo and install in your phone. Then your keyboard will be toggled between Igbo and English. If you want to type with type an alphabet that has dot under or on top, you press it down. It will display options for you. You choose the one you want. You can do the same thing for a computer. Okay? I'm talking to Faith work now. If you don't have the Igbo keyboard, please do that against next time. Okay? Did you hear me, Faith work? Okay. Tochi wrote, Ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbapụ. Wow. Tochi, you are making progress. So this is a nice sentence. Ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbapụ. Great. I think I will not remove anything from what Tochi has written. That is a perfect sentence. Ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbapụ. You can say ma gbapụ or ma gba ọsọ. So what we are bringing here now is that another way of using and is not only na, it can be ma, ma. That's what we are bringing out here. So the and here is used as ma in Igbo, not na, not na, but ma. So let me go on. Chimamanda, ọ hapụrụ anyị wee gbapụ ọsọ. Perfect, perfect. There are different ways of writing it. Gbapụ. Tochi stopped at gbapụ. That's fine. Run away. Bara wee gbapụ ọsọ is also complete sentence. Run away. That's still correct. Lanre, ọ pụọ anyị na-agba ọsọ. Ọ hapụrụ anyị. That's what you should write. Zo and Young, ọ hapụrụ anyị na gbapụ. Not na, is ma. That's what we're bringing out here. M-A, not N-A in this case. Okay? Neka. Once, yes. Neka. I know now. You don't know where to get what? You say you don't know where to get the books. No, you can't say you don't know where to get the books. I told you where to get the books. Now, go to our channel description. Right now, open the channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. You see Igbo ebook shop. Talking to Neka now. You can't say you don't know where to get it. Okay? Even this video where you're watching now, if you open the description or our previous live sessions, you see a link to our bookshop. So, Neka, are you hearing me? Confirm you hear what I said now, because I'm going to buy these books after this class. Neka, or Nenna rather, not Neka, Nenna. Did you hear what I said? Go to our channel description, this very channel description. You see a link to our bookshop there. Then the description box of this particular live session or previous ones, open it up, you see a link to our bookshop there. Neka, are you with me? Or Nenna rather, did you hear what I said? I want to get your response. Okay? I want to get your response. Nenna. Let me see Boyibo. Ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbaa ọsọ. Perfect sentence. Okay? But the run away should also be in the past. Okay? Gbaa ọsọ. No. It doesn't really work that way. If you want to use the past tense on that, it had to be ọgbara ọsọ, but we are making a continuous sentence. So that as it coming to, at the end, that phrase, the way it is correct. It must not be past tense there. You cannot say ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbara ọsọ. It's gbara ọsọ is okay, but it's not as if you wrote gbara ọsọ, it will not be okay, but it doesn't flow. The sentence is not smooth enough. Okay, ọ hapụrụ anyị ma gbara ọsọ. Once you say somebody hapụrụ gị gbara ọsọ, we understand that it's a past tense already. Sherry Mango hapụrụ anyị ma gbara ọsọ, correct. Christabel Ezurike, Christabel, is it the first time you are joining our live class? I know very Igbo. Yeah, that's why you are here. Christabel, is it the first time you are joining our live class? Or you're coming to our channel? You say you know very Igbo. Of course, we know you know very Igbo. That's why we are online teaching you to know more and more. So there are many opportunities to learn Igbo here. This live session is one. We also have our Igbo ebooks that have both audio and text. You can access it through the description channel of this channel description of this YouTube channel. Open our channel description, you see a link to our bookshop, open it, we have about 10 Igbo ebooks there, where you can go through them, get anyone you want, the basics, the alphabet, the numbers, the 2-letter words, and everything is there. So you pay and download them, then you also download the audio from the book. The audio will be separate in your computer or phone, so that you can always listen to it. Once you download the audio, it's permanently yours forever. You don't need to pay again, okay? So you can always listen to these lessons while you're cooking, while you're driving, while you're doing laundry, and then you go through the text also to remind yourself, okay? So yeah, good. Then I say, I found the link, that's fine. So I'm talking to Christabel now also, so you can get those books, you start listening to them. I will be teaching you as you're cooking and doing laundry, you're listening and hearing me. So those books are very apt for you who know little of Igbo. You can, accelerate your learning, so that by next Saturday, you join us again. Christabel, are you hearing me? So where to access the book is through this channel's description. Go there, or the description of this particular live session when we finish, or previous ones. Open it up, you see a link to our bookshop. Buy those books. Are you with me, Christabel? That is how to do it so that you can learn faster and meet up with other people. Okay, we've done this. Okay, Christabel. Okay, Christabel say yes. Christabel, will you do that? Will you buy those books today at the end of this session? Please confirm. Okay. Yeah, Christabel. I hope you buy them. You will like them. Those who bought before are thanking us for that. So cheap. Between $1 to $3, you buy any of them. It's very cheap. All right. So Christabel, avail yourself of that. Will you do that? The next word we're talking about now is but. That's the next conjunction. But. 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 What is but? Okay, Christopher, thank you for accepting to do that after the live session. Buy those books. With $25, you buy all the 10 books. So cheap. Okay? And then you fasting, you are learning. You accelerate it to a higher level. Okay? Nena, I hope you are buying the books after this live session. Nena. Okay? The next word we're looking at is birds. Okay? Manna. Oh, you are firing. That's great. Manna. Manna. I love this class. It's lively. Lanre, manna. Okay? Clement Emehe, manna. Well, in Ozua, welcome to class, Ozua. I was looking for you. Thank God you finally came. Or you finally come, rather. Okay? Ozua, manna. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Your words are correct. But is manna. Manna. Okay, let's make sentences. Okay? I wanted to come, but something happened. I wanted to come, but something happened. I wanted to come, but something happened. I just come from work, okay? And he knows why. You just came from work. Bele, ndo. Now, so with the hustle now, everybody must work now. Woman, man, everybody they work. We must chop. So, no, you're welcome. No. I wanted to come, but something happened. Well, write it in Igbo. Class captain has already dropped her own, waiting for others. Achọrọ m ịbịa mana ihe mere. This class captain, they hot to. She no gree at all. Neka ichok, but mana. Okay, Neka, we have already accepted that but is mana. We're now doing the sentence right now, and we have dropped the sentence already. I wanted to come, but something happened. Like the sentence. Achọrọ m ịbịa mana o nwere ihe mere. Elinozua, great. Nnenna, achọrọ m ịbịa ma ihe mere. Great. Lanre, achọrọ m ịbịa mana ihe mere. Great. Lanre, you don't have the Igbo keyboard yet. You are not typing the right alphabet. So, is it that you have not installed the Igbo keyboard? Talking to Lanre, I can larger now. Have you not installed it? Chirimango, achọrọ m bịa mana ihe dị. Adịkwa, you try. That's great. Clement Emehe, achọrọ m ịbịa mana ihe mere. Great effort. I love it. Let's flow. Who has not dropped the answer? Where is my friend Tochi? Where is this lady? Chimamanda, where are you? Where is Nenna? You've not dropped the sentence. Christabel, are you still there? Ezurike, are you still there? I'm waiting for your responses. Okay, Faith, walk. Yeah, Faith is the one I'm looking for. Faith, oh yeah, I'm waiting for your sentence. Faith, Ngwa, drop your sentence. I wanted to come, but something happened. Lanre, okay, yes, Lanre, and now you have corrected the sentence now. You are using the right alphabets now. Achọrọ m ịbịa mana o were ihe mere. Okay, Chimamanda, good effort. Okay, who else is dropping? Tochi, achọrọ m bịa mana ihe mere. Tochi, you miss out something. It's ịbịa, not to come. It's ịbịa, not bịa. Ịbịa. Okay, Neka, Ichoku. Achọrọ m ịbịa mana o nwere ihe mere. Very long but correct sentence. Okay. Chimamanda, mere. Okay. I love this class. This class is hot to what do you call? Okay, let's mark the script. Igbo. Achọrọ m ịbịa mana ihe mere. Correct. Elinozua, achọrọ m ịbịa mana o nwere ihe mere. Okay. There is something that Elinozua's own is I wanted to come, but there is something that happened. O nwere ihe mere, there is something that happened. Okay, so it's also correct. But mana ihe mere, but something happened is also correct. But Ozua own is, but there is something that happened. I see the difference. O nwere ihe mere. Elinozua, you don't advance for Igbo language. Okay, Nenna, achọrọ m ịbịa ma ihe mere. Okay, ma, but we prefer to use mana. That is the conjunction that is perfect, correct. Okay, Lanre, achọrọ m ịbịa. Okay, you corrected yourself. Cherim, achọrọ m ịbịa. No, Cherimango is ịbịa, is not bịa, not achọrọ m bịa, no. And then you say mana ihe dị. No, not ihe dị, ihe mere. Clement, achọrọ m ịbịa mana ihe mere, correct. Lanre, achọrọ m ịbịa mana ihe mere, correct. Chimamanda, achọrọ m ịbịa mana o were ihe mere, not o were. If you want to use were, you write NW, o were, not were, not only W. That is not correct. Tochi, achọrọ m bịa, not bịa, achọrọ m ịbịa. Nneka, achọrọ m ịbịa mana o nwere ihe mere, correct. Okay, achọrọ m ịbịa mana ihe mere. Tochi, you have done the correction. Faith work, achọrọ m ịbịa mana o were ihe. No, your ịbịa is not correct. It should, the I should have dot under them. Okay, so that, and then you are o were, not o were, o were, NWERE. Okay, Sherimango, don't correction. Achọrọ m ịbịa mana o nwere ihe mere, perfect. That's great. So we've done bets. Okay, the next preposition conjunction we are considering is or. What is the Igbo version of or? Or. This or that. This or that. Or. What is that in Igbo? Or. Ngwa, fire it. Drop it down. Drop it down. Maọbụ. Clement Emehe, Igbo Igbo, maọbụ. Yes. Chikezie, achọrọ m ịbịa mana o nwere ihe mere. Okay, we've done that already. We'll pass it now. We're dealing with another conjunction now, which is so Chikezie. Now that's where we are. Or, and we are dealing with what is the Igbo version of or. Some people have written mobu or kobo in the question. Okay, mobu. Okay, class captain is showing us another version. Mobu. Chimamanda, Chikezie, mobu. Okay. I love those things. Some people have not written. Many have written. I think network is delaying some people. Drop it. So that we can go to the sentence now. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to the sentence now. Okay. Choose me or your husband. Choose me or your husband. Sorry, I didn't mean to say you should choose me over your husband. I'm only making a sentence. Choose me or your husband. Write it in Igbo language. Fetch work, mob. Tochi, mob. That's fine. Lanre, mob. That's good. Choose me or your husband. Write it in Igbo language. Haram, mob, digi. Okay. I'm waiting for orders. Yes. Chikeze has written, Moibo has written, horo, mwa, mobudigi. Okay. I'm waiting for orders. Clement, horom, mobudigi. Okay. We shall see who got it perfectly correct. Okay? Ngwan. Any knows who are Horom Mobudigi. Okay? Lanre Horom Mobudigi. Great effort. Great effort. Yes, who else is typing? Who else is writing? Who else is coming in here now? Who else is coming in here now? Yes. Where is Tochi and the rest of them, our new students? Nenna, Chimamanda, Sherry Mango. Where are you? Waiting for you guys. Ngwan. Yes, 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 yes. Let's do it. Tochi has written. Horom Mobu. Digi. Great. Yes, what are the other guys doing? Yes, 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 yes. Type yours before we mark. Okay, let's start marking. I believe some people's own will still be on their way coming in. So Chikezie wrote first, Horom Mobu Digi. Correct. Igbo, Horom Munwa Mobu Digi is also correct. Some people will prefer to say or Munwa. But Munwa is like saying myself. Myself. Emphasis on me. Emphasizing further. Munwa, myself. Okay? That sound that way. Clement. Horom Mobudigi. Okay? But you are G. Clement is not correct. G. Have to have dot under it, under the I. Okay? So it's not perfect. Cherry mango. Horom Mobu Onyegi. Kedin kebe Onyegi. I say your husband. So, Cherry Mango, where do you say Onyegi? I don't know what you mean by Onyegi. Eli Nozua, Horom Mob, Digi, perfect. Lanre Akelaja, Horom Mob, Digi. It's also correct. That me, which is M, you can put it separate, you can put it together with horror, is also accepted. Okay? Let's see other people's own. Tochi, Horom Mob, Digi, correct. Nenna, Horom Mob, Digi. Okay, and then it appears you didn't have the Igbo keyboard yet, so we forgive you for not using the right alphabets. Okay, faith walk, Horom Mobu, Digi. Faith walk, good effort. I hope you're going to buy our ebooks after the lesson. Faith walk. I hope you are going to pick some of our books. By buying our ebooks, you are not only accelerating your learning, you are also helping yourself to have archive, to have things to fall back on for revision, to remind yourself, and for continuous learning. Because our ebooks has audio that is downloadable. You can download for keeps. And even when you are offline, you can still listen to me talking to you and learning. Okay? So it's important you have them. It's not only because you want to have them, it will help you to fast track your learning. It will help you to have a backup. In case you forget anything, it's a reference point. Now, it will also help you to learn offline. When you don't have data, you don't have time, at a convenient time, even when you're not connected, you can listen because you would have downloaded it into your phone or computer memory. It's for life possession. So you have many things to gain by buying our ebooks, a unique one indeed. So those of you who have not bought that, please, after this live session, check our channel description and buy one or two or three. In fact, to buy all 10 of them is about $25, so it's very cheap, $1 to $3 each of them. So you can buy, many people have bought all of them together, so it's not that expensive. So Faith, Walk, and all our new students, even the old students who have not bought them or bought some of our new books, please avail yourself of those books after this live session. And it's also a way of supporting this channel and supporting us to come online every day to teach you. To teach you means we have to spend time, spend money and resources to make sure we do these things with you. It costs us money. So that is another way of you supporting our channel. Okay? So do that. You can buy for somebody, even if you know them all, buy for somebody. We appreciate you doing that after this live session. Apart from that, while we are live now learning, you can also show appreciation. Okay? You can also show appreciation by clicking on the super chat. under this your window. You will see super chat there. You can also buy super sticker for us right now as we are online now. You can buy sticker for us, super sticker or super chat. If you click on it under, you will see they will give you options of how much you want to buy. You click on it and buy. While we are alive now, you can give us super flowers, stickers, super chat. We appreciate that. And let me also announce this as before we go on, that in future, these live sessions will only be exclusively left for those people who are members of this channel. Mind you, it will not continue to be free all through. At a point, we're going to restrict this to only those who are members of this channel. How do you become a member? Very easy. With $2 per month, you are a member of the channel. You just look at the join under your window. You see join in black color there. You hit on join. It will give you the options. The first level is $2 per month. It's very cheap. Then second level, maybe $4 per month. You just pay that and you can access all the things we have. Thank you, Igbo, for giving us sticker. We appreciate. God bless you. So with that, you can have access to many of our materials. In fact, part of the package when you join as member is both live session and free ebook every month. You have one free ebook every month and audio book every month, plus other assistance, membership of a chat group and other things like that. So you can't get it cheaper anywhere. So begin to join our, thank you, Ellen Ozua, for your sticker. We appreciate. Thank you, Ellen. So begin to join membership of this YouTube channel, because in future, you may not be able to access our live chat and then even our live teachings if you are not a member of the channel. So try to join as a member of the channel. That will help you so much. So many things to gain by being a member. With just $2 a month, you are a member already. You can access some other benefits. Thank you for doing that. Let's move on. Thank you, Ellen Ozua, for your sticker. Thank you, Igbo, for your sticker. We quite appreciate that. What are the other people doing? You don't want to give your teacher a sticker. You don't want to give your teacher a special chat. You just want to learn and go. You know, good. Oh. Support us now. We are spending money and time to do all these things. Okay? So we wait for others to give us stickers, to give us a super chat. We'll appreciate that if you do that for us, and God will bless you for doing that. We'll move on. And the next word we're looking at now is yet. Yet. Y-E-T. Yet. Y-E-T. Yet. Okay? Y-E-T. Yet. What is that in Igbo language? Let's move. Yes. Our stickers are still here up. We are still celebrating our stickers from Igbo and Mrs. Ozua. These are the same two people that gave me stickers last Saturday. The same two people are giving me stickers today again. What are the rest people doing? You just watch and enjoy everything and go. Please show us love now. Waiting. Show us some love. Okay? We are moving on now to the next word, which is yet. Yet. What is yet? In Igbo language, yet, Y-E-T, yet. What is that? Sherry Mango, you just they carry ahead. You don't give me sticker. Okay, Landa Kenlaja, thank you for your sticker. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for the love. God bless you, Larry. That's my in-law, my big in-law. Maybe he doesn't know I'm married to Yoruba. I'm a Yoruba in-law. So my in-law, people are supporting their sister husband. Thank you, Larry. Okay? God bless you. Okay? Okay, let's celebrate their first super on the live stream. Okay, thank you very much. So we are moving on now. Our next word is yet. Y-E-T. Yet. Now let's drop. Ellen Ozua wrote ma. I'm waiting for others. I'm waiting for others. What is yet? What is yet? Okay. What is yet? Y-E-T. Try. Okay. Yes, so Moja know you, Larry. I know you Moja. Ọmọ àbúrò yìí ló máa ń jẹ owó yìí o, so ẹ ṣé o, àdúpẹ́ o, àdáfún yìí o. Okay, I'm greeting my in-laws. So sorry, we are speaking our language for my in-law side. So forgive me for that. Okay, we are moving on. Okay, this price is in pound. It's not allowing me to pay in euro because of my location. Wow, that is Sherry Mango. Say it's in pound. Okay, I don't know. I don't know your location. You can't pay in dollar. Everything is in pounds. I don't know how it is. I think it should be in dollar also. So, okay, let's see how it goes. That's fine. If you cannot buy a cherry mango because of where you are, if you cannot buy sticker, maybe you consider buying a membership. Just drop $2 into membership subscription, $2 every month. You're a member, or $4, as the case may be. Okay, the first level is just $2. Second level is $4, and the last level is about $7. That gives you free ebook every month, live stream, live chat, teaching every week, free teaching every week. So whichever one you can do. So we're talking about yet now, and yet some people wrote manna. Okay, some people wrote ma. Okay, okay, yet. Yes. Okay. Mana. I don't agree. Lanre, ma. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We're still expecting more responses from you. More response from you. Okay. Who else is dropping? Lanre, ma. Tochi, ma. Okay. We shall see whether that is yet or not. It appears everybody is saying the same thing. Who says something different? Sherry Mango said ka. Okay. Let me see. Ozua said ma. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, yes. Okay. Clement said, am I? It's okay. It's better you confess that you don't know it. No, there's no shame in that. That's why you are in class. You want to learn. The one you don't know, you learn. The one you know, you say it. Others will learn from you. That's why we're in a live class. Okay? It appears many people don't know. So the word in Igbo is etuode. 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 E-T-U-O with dot under. Then D-I with dot under. Etuode. Yet. Etuode. Metuode. It's not just ma, but etuode. Yeah, Igbo has written that. Etuode, that is it. Etuode. Etuode is yet. He did it. Yet it happened. Etuode. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. Yet. Etuode. Yeah, Tochigome. Yeah, etuode. That is yet. Etuode. He came late, yet he met the class. He came late, yet he met the class. He came late, yet he met the class. Yeah, etuode. That is it. I'm already making the sentence. So he came late, yet he met the class. Just like Chike here. He came late, yet he met the class. Yes, he came late, yet he met the class. I think this came late is what is going to give many people headache today. He came late, or he was late, maybe simpler. He was late, yet he met the class. Ngwan, oruo n'omume. It don't happen. No. He came late, or he was late, yet he met the class. Ọ bịara n'oge ma etu ọ dị class ya. You tried, Ellen Ozua. You try, you, but this one, Matao. Everybody had go hot today. Ọ bịaghị n'oge etu ọ dị o zutere class. Wow, class captain, I doff my cap for you. You are too much. Igbo, you are too much. Oh. Let me see whether anybody will do anything different from what they have done. He came late, yet he met the class. He came late, yet he met the class. One. He came late, yet he met the class. Two people have done. Cherry mango. Obia osisi etu ọ dị o lere akwụkwọ. Good effort. Cherry mango, good effort. Good effort. Good effort. We shall see. We're going to mark. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. We're going to end this class today by next 20 minutes. We're ending by 1 hour, 30 minutes. We don't want it to get to 2 hours again. That is too long. So let's fire on now so that we can do the correction and pick 1 or 2 more before the time ticks off. Yes. He came late, yet met the class. Okay, it appears it's too tough for you guys. It appears too tough for you guys. I think we have to help you out in this case. Okay. Okay. Let's look at the few answers we've got. Elinozua wrote, Obiara n'oge. That is the opposite of what I said. You are saying opposite. Obiara n'oge means he came early. That is Obiara n'oge. So he came late is Obiaghị n'oge. That is Igbo. That is perfect. Elinozua, he wrote Obiara n'oge, which is opposite of what I said. Obiara n'oge means he came on time. But Obiaghị n'oge, as written by Igbo, is the correct word. Obiaghị n'oge. He came late. Obiaghị n'oge. Perfect. Okay? Etu ọ dị, o zutere class. Igbo. I say you got it perfectly correct. Igbo got it perfectly correct. Please, if you are writing, copy what she wrote. Obiaghị n'oge, etu ọ dị, o zutere class. That is the perfect word. That is the perfect sentence. Cherimango wrote, Obia osiso. No, not Obia osiso, it's Obiaghị osiso. If you wrote that, that is also acceptable. Obiaghị osiso. So, Cherimango, you pick Obiaghị from Igbo sentence, then add your osiso to it. That's fine. Then you put comma. Etu ọ dị, o lere akwụkwọ. No, it's not o lere akwụkwọ. O zutere class. He meet. Meet means zutere. He met. Zutere. So Igbo is very perfect on this. Okay, Lanre, ọ bịara etu ọ dị, ọ class ya. No, look at Igbo sentence. Pick it from there. This one is hard for me. I know it's hard for you. Very much I know. So pick the answer from Igbo's comment. Everybody, pick it from there. That is perfectly correct. O rutere n'oge, etu ọ dị, o zutere class. That is opposite. O rutere n'oge means he came on time, but I said he came late. So Igbo is still the one that got it. Ọ bịaghị n'oge, comma, etu ọ dị, o zutere class. Please copy from Igbo sentence. That is a perfect sentence. Igbo, you're too much for this class. You are really the class captain indeed. We go to the next one. The next one is so. So. What is so in Igbo? So. Okay, Igbo is trying to correct herself. Obiaghị osiso etu ọ dị, o zutere class. That's perfect. That's the correction. Chimamanda. Obiaghị n'oge, mana o zutere ihe nkuzi. Good. I accept that too. I think some people's network are not allowing them to send on time. So Chimamanda, I accept what you wrote. Obiaghị n'oge. That's correct also. Mana o zutere class. Okay. Mana is also, can also go for this. Etu ọ dị, but etu ọ dị is the perfect word. Etu ọ dị, yet. Okay. Etu ọ dị is the perfect word. Lanre, Obiaghị n'oge, etu ọ dị, o zutere class. That's it. But your class, the I is I with dot under for class. Okay. Nenna, Obiaghị n'oge, etu ọ dị, o zutere akwụkwọ shamelessly. Copying Igbo. Nena, you are not serious. It's better you copy somebody. Please copy it in your notebook. Make sure you have notebook for these classes. So not that we'll just be talking and everything. When we finish, you forget everything. Have your notebook beside you, be writing. It's very important. That is what Igbo does very, very well. Anytime we are having lesson, she also have private lesson with me. So she writes so well. She has notes, multiple notes, so she writes. So whenever you are coming to class, prepare, come with biro and book, write. It's very important you write. Okay? So please, let's do that always. Now we are moving forward. We are in so. So. Igbo has written something. Ya mere. Yes, I wait for other people. What is so in Igbo? S-O. So. Okay. I bet you know go to all the class. Okay, that's good. That's fine. Zo and Young. That's fine. Zo and Young, I hope you're going to buy books after this our lesson. Zo and Young, I hope you buy our ebooks, special ones that has text and audio after this class. Will you buy that? I hope you do that. Talking to Zo and Young Kata. Yes. Waiting for your response. The word we are dealing with now is so. S-O. What is that in Igbo? Some people have written ya mere. Ya mere. What are other people writing? What is your own opinion? Write your own now. Yes, what is so in Igbo? N'ihi ya. Is this another version? N'ihi ya. Okay. So. Okay. Yeah, Mary. I'm not getting any other person responding. What are the other people waiting for? I say so. Write it. Write something. Nobody's writing again. I want to start marking. Not when I start, you start writing. Or network is delaying some of you from sending in your responses. Do that now. Okay. Yeah, Mary. Larry has written. Yeah, Mary. I think network sometimes is holding people back. Okay. Anyone still writing? Anyone still writing? Anyone still writing? So. Yamere. Okay, it appears Yamere is what everybody is going for as a conjunction here. Nenna Makaya. Okay, another version Makaya. Okay, I think I'm taking Yamere as the right answer in this case, as far as conjunction is concerned. Other versions may be correct depending on where they are used. Okay, I get you. I'm already taking some Igbo class. Okay, no problem. I got you. I'm already taking some Igbo classes. Yeah, that's fine. It's good to take. Many people are subscribed to many channels where you get your sources, but you can test our Igbo books. Ask those who have bought the books. They are unique. It's not just having classes. I'm talking about something that you will keep and you'll be glad you have them. That gives you access offline, audio, voice, and text, and revision materials. That's what we're talking about here. So it's beyond having just classes, okay? So if you can have them, that will help you even further, right? It's not compulsory anyway, but it's needed. Those who have bought it are testifying to that. They can even, if you ask for comments here, those who have bought the book, I'm sure they will drop comments here to say they are worth having, right? So we are taking Ya Mere as the right version here. Listen to Zo and Young. You can read what Sherry Mango wrote. The books are very good and easy to understand. So I'm not just hyping the book. It's just a reality. If you buy, you will see what I'm talking about. You'll be glad you did. So I'm not just trying to force you to buy it, but I know it's worth having in your library as Igbo learner. King Angel, my fiance is Igbo. Thank you for teaching us. Oh, thank you, King Angel. Thank you so much. God bless you, King Angel. That your fiance, I want to also know how she should join our class. And you too, you are learning. That's great. so that you can communicate with your wife to be. Thank you. Ogo, ezigbo ogo. Now, and we agree that I've been interrupted by a call. So this particular, we're using yamere here as our word here. Going to make a sentence for this. So he was not happy, or he's happy. He is happy. He is happy, or he was happy, so we welcome him. He was happy. You know, we're dealing with conjunction. They're joining two phrases or sentences together. He was happy, so we welcomed him. He was happy, so we welcomed him. Write that sentence in Igbo. Write it in Igbo. He was happy. And you see saying, and you can listen anywhere you want. Yeah, you can listen anywhere while you're driving as MP3, while you're cooking, while you're doing laundry, because you download the audio and it's for your permanent keep. So you can listen to it anytime, anywhere. So it's very important. That's the unique nature of our books. Okay, he was happy, so we welcome him. Somebody wrote something. He said, Obi dịrị ya ụtọ, ya mere anyị nabatara ya ezigbo Igbo. Good one, Sherry Mango. Ọchị ọchị ya mere anọ ya. Okay, Sherry Mango. Good effort, it's right. Tochi, obi dị ya ụtọ, great. N'ihi ya, anyị nabatara ya. Okay, Tochi is bringing another version. N'ihi ya. Okay, n'ihi ya is actually because of that. But in this case, we are dealing with so. Ya mere. Okay. Elinozua, obi dịrị ya ụtọ, ya mere unu nabatara ya. Okay. Okay, ya mere. So we welcome him. We, unu, you people welcome him. Okay, whichever version you want to choose, that's fine. Any version you are taking, that's fine. Let's wait for others. Okay, okay. So Tochi, I just done a little correction now for you for your sentence, and I think you got it right. So let's anybody still coming in before we mark. I want to mark this and go to the last word today because our time is ticking off. Let me mark quickly. Let me see what we wrote. Igbo wrote, Obi dịrị ya ụtọ. You may not really write dịrị ya, but dị ya is enough. D-I, dị ya ụtọ. That's enough. You may not put R-I at the back of dịrị. So obi dị ya ụtọ, ya mere, anyị nabatara ya. Perfect. Perfect. Correct. Sherry Mango. Ọchịrị ọchị. No, ọchịrị ọchị means it's laughing. It's laughing or he laughed. That is ọchịrị ọchị. That's not what actually means. Obi dị ya is happy. Happy. Obi dị ya ụtọ is happy. But that's a good effort. Ochi. Obi dị ya ụtọ n'ihi ya anyị nabatara ya. I've already corrected that. It's not n'ihi ya. N'ihi ya is because of that. Okay? Elinozua. Obi dịrị ya ụtọ. I've just corrected this. You can just write obi dị ya ụtọ. Ya mere unu nabatara ya. Talking about we welcome him. That's fine. Chimamanda. Obi dịrị ya ụtọ. Ya anyị. No. Ya mere. You miss out something there. Zo and Young. Obi dị ya ụtọ nke mere anyị ji sonyere ya. Okay, but it's actually we welcome. This sonyere means we sonyere ya, we joined him. That is sonyere ya. Talking to Zo and Young. Sonyere means joined. Anyị sonyere ya, we joined him. But in this case, we're talking about welcome him. So welcome him is nabataraya, we welcome him. But if you say sonyereya, it means we joined him. I believe Zo and Young get my explanation. That's different between the two words you used there. Okay? Zo and Young, confirm if you got me right. Clement Emehe, oboro aṅụrị ya mere anyị nabatara ya. Okay. It's not you can say obi o nwere obi aṅụrị. You can say obi o nwere obi aṅụrị, talking to Clement. O nwere obi aṅụrị ya mere anyị nabatara ya. That's better. Lanre, obi dị ya ụtọ ya mere anyị batara ya. Not batara ya, nabatara ya. N-A-B-A-T-A. But it's even going to be in past tense. It has to be N-A-B-A-T-A-R-A, nabatara, past. Okay, Sheriman obi dị ya ụtọ ya mere anyị nabatara ya. Perfect, correction. Nnenna, ọ na-atụ ya ụtọ ya mere anyị nabata ya. Ọ na-atụ ya ụtọ means it's sweet for him or her. Okay, but even ọ na-atọ is not even ọ na-atụ, it's not T-U, it's T-O. We don't ọ na-atọ ya ụtọ. Okay, if that is what you wanted to write. All right, let's go to the last word for today, which is Dan. T-H. Obi dị ya ụtọ nke mere anyị ji nabata ya. Perfect. Zo and Young. That's perfect. Okay. Now we go to the last word for today, which is Dan. T-H-A-N. Dan. What is that in Igbo? Dan. T-H-A-N. What is that in Igbo language? Dan. 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 T-H-A-N. Dan. What is that in Igbo language? Drop it now. T-H-A-N. Dan. What is that in Igbo language? Mba. Not then, no. I didn't say then. I said Dan. Just like you say more than. T-H-A-N. More than. That's what I said. Not then. Or that was then. No, I didn't say then. I didn't say then. I said than. Like we say, more than. That is the word I'm talking about. Okay, Larry, I've seen your correction. That's fine. Okay. And done. Boy is ahead somehow. And some of you don't know why she's ahead. She's having a private class with me. So if you are interested in having private class with me, online class, you can indicate Igbo is one of my students, and they can reflect from what she's doing when we are always in class. When she comes online, you can see the difference. So if you want to have a private class, we are available for that. We can help you further. You indicate that, send us email to theibotutor@gmail.com. We'll respond. theibotutor@gmail.com. If you want any private class. I've just given you Tochi. I've already given you what to do, Tochi. If you want a private class, send us email. Send your request to theibotutor@gmail.com. We have private online class for whoever is interested in that. Igbo is one of my students online. And Tochi says, is it free? My dear, it's not free. Oh. The one we are doing here is free already. I cannot kill myself for everything free. Too much free, something is not good. So that live class, private class is not free. Okay? So it is it costs some money. It's not free. Okay? We're dealing with Dan now. T-H-N. Dan. Okay? Let me see the answers we got. Let me see the answers. Okay, let me see those who got it. Igbo got it. Carrier. Okay, Ellie knows who I got it. Carrier. Lanre got it. Carrier. But your eyes, you have dot under it. Okay, you have corrected it down there. Who else got it? Oh, yeah. Who else got it?
Tochi. Okay, Tochi is asking me how much is it? Tochi, a session is cost about $5 a session, and that is about 1 hour 30 minutes for $5. Some are paying €5 for that, depending on who you are or where you are paying from. That is the price. Okay, Carrier. Okay, Joy Martins, Amadi, you are welcome to our class, but you're coming too late. We're already rounding up. So next Saturday, join us by 2 p.m. Nigerian time or West African time, or 1300 GMT. If you have seen us for the first time and you are joining late today, come on time next week. That would be very good. So Joy, try to come on time. But before that, Joy, please, you have to check our channel description, subscribe to our channel, check our description. You will see our link to our ebook shop. Buy our ebooks, read them up before next Saturday. So that's fine. So Joy, okay, carrier is the word, and we accept that. That is the word carrier. Okay. Now the word, he is bigger than his brother. He is bigger than his brother. Write the sentence in Igbo language. That's the last for today. He is bigger than his brother. He is bigger than his brother. Remember, we were taking carrier as Dan. Okay? We are taking carrier as Dan. Okay? I want to join session Zoe and Young. Which session do you want to join? Let me understand. You want to join the membership of this channel, or you want to join private class? Which session are you talking about? Zoe and Young, I didn't get you. Say, I want to join session. I want to be sure of the session you want to join. Please remember, everybody can join membership of this YouTube channel. You can see the join button down there, black button with join inscription. Hit it. It will open the join options. You have 3 categories. Category 1 is $2 per month. Category 2 is $4 per month. The last category is about $7 per month. And there are different benefits to that. Just like very soon I told you, this live teaching may not be available to everybody in future. It's still available now for everybody. But start joining the membership now, because in future, not everybody can gain access to our live class or live chat except members. So it's good you begin to join a membership of this channel from now, so that you don't get cut off when you don't expect it. So begin to join with $2. You're already a member. $2 per month is so cheap. Then $4 per month, you'll be entitled to other benefits like live chat, live lessons every week, once every week free, and live lesson every week. And then if you, the last category, live lesson every week, membership of a special group, free ebook every month. These are all the things we have for you. So begin to join now in this YouTube channel as a member. You have so many things to gain. So now we are looking at the sentence. If you have the sentence is bigger than his brother. How many sentences do we have? Or the nuku. So Zoe and Young, you have not answered my question. I asked a question. Okay, private session. Okay. I've given you the condition for private session. I've told you it's $5 per session. That is a day, and we have it one lesson every week. And then, if you are interested in that, do it officially by sending me email to theibotutor@gmail.com. Send your request there so that we can complete the discussion from there and take off. Okay. We are marking. Mark, that is the last we're doing today. Okay. Igbo, ọ dị nnukwu karịa nwanne ya. Ọ dị nnukwu karịa nwanne ya. Okay. Sherry Mango, ọ dị nnukwu karịa nwanne ya. Correct. Joy Martins, Amadi, emere m ọfụma na asụsụ Igbo na school. Ọ dị mma now. That's good. That's good. But you can improve more even as you join our classes. Okay, Tochi, ọ dị ibu karịa nwanne ya. Okay, you can say o buru ibu instead of saying ọ dị ibu. Tochi, you can use o buru ibu karịa nwanne ya. Okay. So, who other person has written Clement? Or the nnukwu karịa nwanne ya, nwanne nwoke ya. You can say nwanne ya nwoke. Nwanne ya nwoke is better. Nenna, o buru ibu karịa nwanne ya nwoke, better. Lanre, ọ dị nnukwu karịa nwanne nwoke ya. We prefer to use nwanne ya nwoke, okay? Ellen, ọ dị nnukwu karịa nwanne ya nwoke, perfect. Martin Obu, o buru ibu karịa nwanne ya, good. Joy, o buru ibu karịa nwanne ya. Nwanne ya is not supposed to be together, separate it. Ya should be standing alone, is a pronoun. Great. Thank you all for coming online today and for joining today's class. We appreciate especially those of you who bought us stickers. About 4 of you that bought stickers for us today. Ozua, King Angel, this is Ozua, Ibo, and then Lanre Akinlaja. We thank you all for your purchases and for your gifts to us and to this channel, for your support. We appreciate. Those of you who promised to buy books, you do that now. Go to, as we end this session, open the description of this video or go to our channel description. You see a link to our bookshop. Open it up, select your books, pay, and start enjoying them right away. Remember, I said joining the membership of this YouTube channel is important for all of us, because in future, this live session will only be available to members of the channel. It won't be continue to be free. So begin to join now. The very minimum price of $2 per month, you are a member. $4 per month, you have more benefits like live session, live chat, and every other thing. And if you go to the last stage, you can always have free ebook every month, free different ebook every month. So there are so many things to gain and at a very affordable price. So please, let's begin to do that from today so that in no distant time, we'll begin to enjoy exclusive rights and benefits as members of this channel. Thank you for coming online today. Thank you for being part of the channel, part of our growth, part of our success and progress. We quite appreciate all of you. Thank you for learning Igbo language. See you next Saturday. Bye. I sign out now.